When I say half of my own wife, Rita, Kokobiri, Ota, you may put a deal on the you will be at work. You feel advice. You can't work with me at work because now, must say, I fear, but I'm going to say you hand. Yes, now. Seriously. You see, every no work, babe, everyone got time of me. I bet I was like, seriously? You are using your own story to mock my wife. Your own particular story. Oh, we are not this virgin, eh? Oh, Biomuka now. That's the Momuka only the word on it now to speak. Understand? Or word on it. Momehane, word on. Nupo gave her, or Biomehana. No bueno. You are a mother of rainbow color. Ubien ebo, ubien a cow, ubien udo, ubien a sea, ubien a cow, ubien a gon, ubien a lay at the end of the night is possible. Beautiful. Kokobiri, fibrous woman. I greet you. When I share the video, may I say it first. Me and my wife stress. Now, let me get a prep have my worry. Okay. Every week, you are 100% better than me, bro. No doubt. My brother, I know you must have. Oh, every year, you must have. My brother, I told him, well, every year, I am. Oh, we are massive. I have been you, massive. We also are massive. We are massive. Okay, Natamopo. We are massive. And not get over. Oh, working. Well, not so long ago, however, I say, yo. He told him, if you're part of the Monday, man, as we speak right now, oh, how much my personal person is my PT. You understand? Any morning in Kansas City, the first person that will know is my wife on Facebook. If any money is coming into my life as we speak, the first person that need to know that how much is that money is my lovely, beautiful wife. You know, I'm your mentor. I will continue mentoring you. For a lot of atrocity you have gained yourself in. Here we conglomerates. As a boy that you are, they put this a wolf for fridge. You will be after your father, your people. The dog, after your father, your people. You're Jesus. Ona ye Bible to listen. Osasewe. No good. Tell of my own anything, marry you. Open the prayer point. You were before you knew that I move you so. You know, I have my loved girl. We don't must want to go here, you by fire, by force. You guys want to challenge the muzzle. The Bible said the way of God is not the way of man. Man propose and God dispose. Don't play. When God stands for you, no man can be against you. When God is on your side, favor is on your side. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Oh God, I must lie. When I share the video, who is the coupes? Here it's not going to saga. But once you go master. Oh, second. Rita! Kokobiri vandalization. Oh, you were preaching about Bola. I was just laughing when I was listening to you. I pity those fools who are listening to your speech. Rita Ayemiomo, the daughter of a prostitute, Rita Ayemiomo, the daughter of Umenwan of Upper. I greet you, man. Rita, you're supposed to be ashamed of yourself after the atrocity your mother has gone through. And I never even knew that fibrosis was inheritance from your family. And you also categorically came out of media and tell us how you couldn't be able to, your husband couldn't be able to penetrate into your poo because of the fibrosis. And the same you are coming out of media to tell us how you enjoy Ebola. Bro, auntie, what did they know? Who are you deceiving? You forgot that the same fans that was watching you today also watching you when you said because of the virus in your pekus, you couldn't enjoy the penetration of your husband's spermatozoa. You forgotten? You also forgot that you always tell us that when your husband wanted to penetrate into your azimazi, achisco, achiwele, that you always shout and scream because why? You were not enjoying, you were feeling pains. You were pleading with your husband to please remove the Ebola, the Madiga into the hole or the warehouse of yours. Today I watched your video. You are trying to educate people about Shigoro and Shigore. I was laughing at you, bro. Auntie. And they laugh you. You know why they laugh you? Every year when I tell concerning a working or any be. A Bini woman will marry Bini man, traditional man for that matter. It was all in your body. You born for Greece, you born for Greece, you born for Greece. And abjene Greece, abjene Gino ye. Kokobirio, ubien de Greece, ubien de Gino ye, ubien de Greece. A Greece in me, I think by ye Boris. Il a be Greece ye Boris ye, e we better make a movie say. Kokobiri ou bien église ou namu miame. Agara bien église yaga mu ne miame ko. You born for Greece man. Église is not bo koyame. You use the man to talk your story, your dirty story. Each and one. Kokobiri fertilization. Of for guy. Man we not be a lot to not be man. Say useless man. If you don't know make I tell you so. Man will not be spoke man. That man is a stupid man. So you know something a lot of talk, but you did a lot of shit. You understand? Toto with nyash, which one sweet pass, which one smell pass. I never test nyash, but I don't test Toto. Eh oui, me they tell you now. You sabi la loyansh according to your wife. O gwala lohe. Obie pa. Me wa pokman steady ya ipon wan ayon suppose lo ibolewa ebolo elalo apapa alo blo ali wele why that because you who you lip we a clip up because who see ba who we clip who see ba who we clip who see ba always Jesus is Lord and personal savior. Oh God. Why gege osibu kalo akpiko ye fere oma ye kpoko why riana ye kini fere why is a road there why is a grease because oh you are using a bito shaker also go all the say a bito shaker sucking. When you give your woman a bito shaker also shaking also you are right there who is Zua? You don't know anything, bro. You don't know anything. You don't even shit. You dey come on me, they call it and say, you did judge, you don't know how to solve, you are a mugu. You are a mugu idiot, okay? Mugu ozuo. No, and you say, you guy pass me. You guy pass me as a guy, man. Ugwala luhe, you are a mugu. You are a mugu ozuo, okay? Guy, you not guy, you are a mugu. You be guy, man. You know how to laluhe. Your home can never be settled. Okay, you just see woman. You just suck them. You just put rubbish. How many times you don't use your dick make a woman come? Come swear. How many times you don't use your bola to make your woman come as well? Can't use your generation, your children to swear. How many times you don't use your bola to make your woman come? Woman even get woman, being woman, where they cut their crickery, where also with the color their clitoris. 85% of Benin women, their clitoris is being strategized as streamer. You don't make boko. Now no you just enter. If you just see you quickly, you be like switch. But the off light. Before you just use another finger like it don't come. Let me lay you for bed. Benin woman, we be say they bonded. Or see with the carry scissors, they carry knife, they carry a bed, they baloy. Quickly go me fear. Now you come they say, your wife talk and say you know how to lick nyash. Men la don't say you bonisa. You will go even against 3 things. Hello? Afa, is it iPhone? Yeah. No. Vamos a. Rồi sao tóc bây giờ? So we're watching me with you. You were watching me with you. Network DSTV. Okay, what my DSTV? Vamos a. What off with? Yeah. Oui. Where Bella Louis? Where Louis, you are a traditional man. Cover, Damosa. Traditional man of Bogu. Traditional man of the listen. So your traditions be the Nash. And we no longer go, I will be. It will be no man why I say. Women here, la lumina, la logger. Every young yet a proud mom. Uhe proud mom mama so how a proud mom in my hospital yawe virus. Aboma proud mom not go hospital go treat himself saying get virus for pekus. You still keep woman wey get virus for pekus for house. And you dey come in there for the talk. Woman wey come out for social media use man talk say he get disease for clitoris for prickly. For disease for pekus. Now I say you leak it too. You leak virus. Now, me leak proud mom, as you said, because look at me today. After I leak proud mom to finish, I can't rent house, get my own apartments. God begin to bless me. All the way from Germany to Italy. I don't dare Luna, they here now with my own apartment. That means proud mom because where I no get grace. The moment you put for house, you still be boy. They put you for house. I'm where you are. Hello? Hello. You don't like video? Okay, no problem. Why you go here? Okay, no problem. All right, man, no problem. Thank you. Yeah. When no more virus because you are, look at your life today. You are being backward. You are what? Backward. You feel the vibes? When virus because you are not be the main anyway, or main no be the war, or no get peace of mind. You think your woman have peace of mind? She have rest of mind. Or not the life do at all. Moka marry her way. But don't the shame and disgrace like me, well no. I got married before you. But who came out categorically to be disgracing his wife and his wife disgracing him? It is your household. You see it quite different between me and you. The mentality I have is quite higher than your own mentality. Your own mentality is to be taking care of your mom and building a house in Nigeria for your mother. You've forgotten that you already raised a family here in Germany. You neglect the family you raised here in Germany. You lie to them. You deceive them. You talk all manner of gossip about them. You are not still a man. You are a boy. A boy will always be a boy. You see what happens to you now? Show that you are a boy. When I was a boy like you, when I was in the street as a rugged man, I don't give a F with anybody outside the worship me. I naked myself. No be woman carry my naked commerce. Because I see this street. I not carry anybody come abroad. Now let me come. Anything we stop I do. Go ask of me for it, go smallly. Alpha. Where would the shadow make gate he set? I will come like this, they don't go at them. They'll push slap for your ear. They want collect that money with your hand. Oh, yeah, we are a ban one. We have already a saw. God, forget that you may go shift for you. Because I don't say you not still wear. Oh, go on, Baza. We don't mind being me out. We don't why it's also. No mind winning up by Nigeria. Apart from all this teaching work, KG teaching work. We not money. You go we are me more time me 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 na gbe uwezuo. Me ya get ticket. You go we hear me more time me dey. After enough I saw after the check, based on my check, clear on my check. After enough eye weakness, everything you go still collect. Normal shopping money, everything, feed the money and everything. Uwezuo. Then we will come and we did care. Oh yeah, pa. Then in measure that I married. That's why you will see me as a gentleman, as a responsible married man. You see that time we never married last year. We never married a guy. Forget that story. Any small ones who are going to be a Chris passer. Yepa. The way you come here, come do the show. Me, I come here with no level. When I did Libya, Arabo naked me. You carry bola the round the go inside desert, no level. Last person you can't give you bosses here. Many of you now they make me for big boss. A bosses were like webo. Bosses. 95% of the immigrants we enter from Libya, now bosses will enter John till they worry you. Now inside ship they give us clothes we wear. They give us shoes we wear. Because they form activities for me where I create from Libya. Who is so? Me carry my own my day okay. Me go there keep me rag mama say me wu keep me logo ya nyo ge agiaga. Rag mo there na. Me no me care la after me care la jane okona sara. Yi me care la for the marriage. Bagam alas. Afa. I me care la jane ke ya marriage. When no hear your wife no care go out of this grocery way. Oze no we ka ogbera na ya gbo we media or we cannot ya kiwe. What we are in here because we not get no one run over. Right now, right away, when all of them way, another 2.9 million you are out to one is way. No way, each way we le cuckoo. Each way we Pastor Egbon. Evazin Bay. Ijwe oru we azigbe. Una who bogwari ijwe jinebe amagba. Whereas you know your mother is still squadding with somebody that is squadding. She's squadding with her daughter who is squadding with her husband. Hey, Jesus, I don't die. Oh, a wee fake life. Fake life. Oh, yeah, you bog bijwa way. Or second, you go use your 2 hands by your mom. Because you're when I frustrate your life like this. And let me first of all give a advice to Saul. Saul. No say where. Saul Messi. we doluni meji gomo. Nangelegbe we do gata menki e wodo. Doluni meji gomo. Nangelegbe we do gata menki e wodo. Omo no mo musi. Omo musi wi nene wonyi mere go wodo. Omo no mo musi. Omo musi wi nene wonyi mere go wodo. Iwi de ro an so ya ya mo. Onyi mo no ri me o no. Olúwa me de ge o so ya ya mo me. Onyi mo ni ya ne o no. Dolu ni me yi omo. Angelegbe we do ga yan mo wodo. You don't send me the video. Send me the video now. Don't you know? Ah, yeah. You are too dirty to my local. No. When I don't have it, you will not come to war. I want go working. You are great dog can wear. You are too dirty to my local. No. When I don't have it, you will not come to war.
Ma went the country for 1 month.
God, do I don't feel loud. All this money talk nothing carry. Jesus is Lord. We will not condemn. First of all, let me say congratulations to your deputy governor, Philip Shaibu. Philip Shaibu has emerged as the deputy governor of Edo State after impeachment. You understand me now? He won the case for court today in Abuja. It is well. All right. For the play this one video. What do they call this? Oswald. Rita FB. Yes. Rita FB. What you mean again?
What I'm not. That was said, so me, you now say you want to do BS for you, you want to collect passport. But here, nothing. You can never collect passport permanent. Just go cross Nigeria border. And like woman, in within 6 months, if permanent not back for your hand. That is the end. No enter this country. Within 6 months, your permanent is gone already. If you get to Nigeria embassy, they will tell you that Radio Jama will tell you, say, Nishman. Not be only you don't have people. Plenty of people. That's why you see they are there without German passport. How can you be here for how many years you cannot integrate? You will consider for life you do and life you and myself. Now because of say your what is the name mama we be say first marry your brother come talk about this one. Come a large in way. Now make me not need to take you serious like that. Just imagine what she's saying. Even even your own brother, cousin, my darling, you know, how are you guys doing? How are they? How are you guys doing? Many people can't see the future. A lot of people see the future. For inside men, the set of men who see the future of this abroad those days, they refuse Shentru. They say no to Shentru. Even though say you be their senior sister, you carry your junior brother home. You even tell us, say, you see that girl, very rich, because they know they talk about beauty those days. Now money, now they talk about say.
My people, I agree to know better style. When I see this woman called Rita Okobiri, where they try, they want to educate on so. You see what she talk about sexual men. You know, see all those men, they're very rich, they only talk about sexual, blah 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 blah. It's a talk bell koyame. The reason why I hate Benin man, because Benin man show a 999. Understand? Those Benin men do this, they frustrate her. Oh yeah, boy, I see you tower. She follow Ibu show her 999. Now it base for Ibu. The Benin way say you no good, you go back to Benin. Now Benin men come and say, come here. You thought we are fool. Use Benin men play. You don't listen and say na remnant TV. Or bien the car bien udune. Ona agwa le bien no do munye yewa. Aye bien na munye remnant. Yana ya boy asin to yana go munye awo. Na e wrong. Ana you be deported. Or you will be we na bagere ya le yekia. Ekia wa afifie. Na kana o my way virus. A fibrous ogun ahian ko zokian ori fibrous gugu wegbe akemi we adekun agun ahon no gbo so gigu no mo yewa. Now she dey come out now. Today she was talking about Ebola. Oyi wa tele kia e na wa gie laugh akosi ewo na yezuo we no tagwe owo ki me joy kia ide ki me twin. Where dead nearly you he? Where who me and get the carry you? A me and get the carry. When I see, I use the tone on this social media. When I'm not going to like me because I refuse to live the fake life where the other people they live. I do my thing naturally. Now when I pray that I cook here my house now, I fed there a wolf or fridge. I bring the work on my microwave and put on ground. I boil when I go buy for supermarket. Cook and pieces and peel cook and eat some for that present before I started to talk. Now the food you want eat sleep to be that one. That is my what? Dinner. Since morning, my food, my morning and dinner food. Now I just eat so. Now this is my breakfast. It's more this kind of water. What I was doing, I've been washing my own house, the bedroom, everything. I wash all the clothes, my white where they wear. You know, see me, I love white. My best color white. I soaked them yesterday night. All my whites soaked for big bowl. As we just talk like this one. Or why you ready for a dance? The hunger can young. We ina buwana ya lega. We toilet be petrol. Wash every make sure everything is clean. Ina cook way. Ina like bed now here. I sleep. As I wake up, now I go to market, go buy this damn console. Where I still cook for the present. It's nothing fake about it. You actually guy there hold fried rice here, even I don't give it Rita. Rita make you. I go sit that papeleke. I go sit that papeleke. I go get my orgasm. I go get my sense of reasoning. Sister, call. Oh, come on. Get your source of reasoning when you know they get people for the two. Just want to come out from media because they use math. Now math still they come. Now math still they lash. Ozuo. Oh, can you to tanya? Okay, no, because I'm going young. All Louis no home. People you call Louis. Okay, easy. Go and marry Binima. Okay, easy. Rita. Before you go and talk, before you get Latina to ta, kuwe kakonu ya agbagiri ya gbaloni. Ana release, ana ya bela ko a prison yard. Before you feel like onoma oguyani, bo kanale. First of all, who kaya maro viedone. You will go and marry Benin man. Then you know what it takes to get married to a Benin man. So that the entire family of the man will go and visit your father at home. Before you get respect from her. Anyway, I am not buying in Nigeria. You and that useless man, Kokobiri. No soon go ye, Zimbabwe no. Zimbabwe alive, but that useless Zimbabwe Mugu. Zimbabwe Oswald. Zimbabwe Olodo. Zimbabwe will not get sense when Rita they use. Zimbabwe will not use Juju carry. Rita mama, if Rita physically carry my own picture, go native dodo. Oga Zimbabwe, I'm sorry for you. You are finished. They don't cook you down. You are not a cook and down. Cook and oat. You be worse. Oga cook and oat. Now you be. If Rita, your so-called Yamanyama wife, in mama physically carry my own picture, my own video. Picture and video, go give Juju for a YouTube. If mama physically carry my picture, go give Shiran for a YouTube. Make them buy my enemy. Oga, you are finished. You marry into a family of Shiran. A family that dwell in Jujuology. That's the reason why you remain Ozuo. You will remain a Kokobiri Mugu. The only Mugu in Kokobiri, the only Zimbabwe fool. Now you remain. Benin will not give you wife. Mugu, if you want to marry for Benin land, your father, your representative, or your family will be there. As far as that you only want to go do marriage with my brother. Now your money in the shop will Ozuo. No get sense. Your money, now Rita with your papa chop. They don't know you. You are not recognized. Rita can dope anything dopable. It's a puppy. Your so-called Rita is a puppy. Ask her. What happened between you and Ibo? Why Ibo hate her and Ibo he bought that picky for? Why he hate her? Who he catch her with when they dope her? Mugu. Agagagbo. Yaga. What I mean, I said if about here what I'm trying to say, what I mean by if about here I said Zagazaga Allah. What I mean, okay, Zagazaga is the beginning. What I mean by Zagazaga, I said to assume with the rua or see a beginning. What I mean by who assume with the rua, it means why you will be away. Oh, it's still a Benin. What I mean by why you will be away Kokobiri, it means you use your head to open coffee. You know. Rita no ho. E God don't have no less why kundigo. E kia na nga gwalo. E kia na no yunu kwesi ko na gwalo. Ige okiu he mama kiu sama kegu mama ige we. Ona ngwe ko ya ni ko gwalo. E na pardon ne. No ti ya pardon ne. We no try no go no yemi no me ya gwalo mi ne me makoyo ige mi ego. Ego your cash. I collect money for your hand. Can I help on Facebook? Because I'm what the way my way say dirty pussy. You know we are. If we let the get go, we are what? And me what for you what level? Now have what? Will I be more other school? I do my drink. Rita Yagba ogigbo hon Madam Fibros Go and take care of your fibroids. You are sick. Igmana we. You could know. Could know. But now I'm lucky. This is episode 15. Tomorrow we'll deal on episode 18, 16, 17, 18. Tomorrow is gonna be bomb. Maybe you're going now. Maybe you're going now. I'm going to chill in our year.
Very rich, you get money way. You know, you really make up for rope. A problem, I use cream when I don't feel like giving now. The problem when I get with cream, I just be this although some people will still tell me, say, but your own clean, Rita, how come? Your own clean. How come? The imagine I come in maybe what you did the clean, I said this one. Will be like a well. That is one thing about it. You know, say color with God they create person. If God don't talk and say a black person and you want shit nation, you must have something to fight with, my love. I like black people when they maintain their skin. The sumo. Yeah, my biotore. They are go and Mutalo, not be saying you can't follow a day content talk now. Say you say you enter a day life. What do you go do for your life? Not be made you join and better the life before. I want to join and better the life of those children, so that at the end of those days, at the end of the day, that woman will be happy to say, oh, he helped me to take care of these children. There's nothing like that. Not be saying an assignment you will sit down, you don't even know where am I wait for
the Rita, if you will not tell a wicked children, oh, where you go, you will wear one. If you will not tell no, we are not a wicked chi, you were here, you were, you will my sister of Guatalo, a bola where bear will be. Where a more be, Oswonumako, Okobo Agima, a mammon Wayokowa. Ya got one there, Felicia, a flat of yield la Obolawa. Okba can wait in the Libya Lawa, Unanya Konagba, and a bugu you are come by. They don't wake us a bagmo. I'm not one away. Umare, Okobiri, that way go, that way at the end of the day. Yake Monica no Biano Bove. Although we're in UK, the whole full community Nigolea di Motu, no him. Or where when no guarded the city wa. A room will stay in where renty. It is a who. Away. Grilolo no bove. Monica doa. Una guard receipts. Una guard evidence. A lolo doa. Una guard evidence. Or where I take you can make you. Emani say where you are media. Or do I feel like we're going to walk by you are bon. But Bomuna Benny you are. Or Vienna or Ragbon or any. You was ye. Ijue igbe ageju ese gbegbe ijue adopi odoni goli dara hariye la tiken agbaka yo he ijue adoni goli dara hariye la tiken agbaka yo he. Give me money, collect bekus. 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 Ejue ga wo ka market. Ejue ga do ekim ijue ga do ni o pelego subo money to the extent ana mo the award winning of Totori Peria ana mo ni jue o toto neria uheneria ana mo ni jue under cashew tree e kasuna hara ayo na ke siasio ana gogi we si kusuti kasu ana ga dun yo he ayo na ke siasio itoro siasio itoro ikia de hijue Rita ne ekwe mu jivi no motion ba bomu na be mi wa agwo no kwa we ma agbon ma wo na ya una operation fibros a ogbon no o ko ma gele ti ore mi ame gele kun mi. Yes, I can see that you are sick.
Tell me what is it that you have learned in your life? What is it that you have known? Me, I may look like
Rita. The thing where I don't learn, till you go back, you don't go learn. The thing where I don't know, till you go back, you don't go know. You feel me so? The things that you know is what you preach on live video. And it's all about prostitution. is your area of specialization. That is where you have your degree. Hello. Rita, the things that you know in your life is prostitution, which your parents signed a trolley to migrate you to Europe for prostitution. And that's the job your entire families know. That's your area of specialization. Rita, measure the handwork you left for before you come abroad. That you have the experience, that you have 2 years or 5 years experience. And I will tell you a job I learned with my certificate, which I can prove to you right now as I'm sitting down here with 10 years experience. You understand? With 10 good years experience, or might be the woman on the women on the free, on the kids, on the experience of 10 years. I love when I had experience more than you. I know more things more than you. Not just one job, not two. You understand that? You are. Ufine. You are a time. You may die like when our company now we are here. If you na go kwa Nigeria. Tinya dread in na. Date me ga be company me na yamu na today. Aga see me. Ida ware ya aga drag me. You understand now? Pagiaga, ukboni so won so care workers. I bet care workers in the UK. Here and there they are nurse. They are all care workers. We call it here in Italy badati work. Or a blue or a white. Or you are police today. Or we nurse in or this is illiterate. In my money school. All those bomb fools that are following you that clap for you. Those sack illiterate women. Those your so-called colleagues in the industry of prostitution that are clapping for you. Those low-life women. Not even they know you have insulted and he and his wife. They know you were over here. Every go post a picture manager here. Mug. Made if I don't cost a guy. Oh, they know you clap for that you've robbed others for. That they have taken from you. It is not the one you're not celebrating it. You are really a mugger. Now they talk to you. Frank, you know where? I will talk to this kind of fool. We don't be pardon. We are mere we come here. It's not the person you are not posting his marriage picture. And I see a bar for who is Zoa. Marketing go on you one where you go. Respect to my lovely wife, man. Who know understand that one, who know tell me no tell you away. You know that when telling you tie. Who know any a cocobiri vandalization. Okay, my friend the cocobiri with on be the cocobiri. Don't play. Rita, okay, my friend the cocobiri, I want to be the cocobiri. Cocobiri man luheni. My now we cocobiri vandalization. Ashi wolo, ashi wo. Enienia no ekikuli o amo yo zibo. Eki agi gbagbe na asi fibros yo hi. Ozo no mako. Eki agbagbe on asi fibros. But it was too big. The heat was too much. It result of fibrostica. Around the fibros evolve komo. Now you are a wombless woman. A wombless presenter. It did not like we don't play. Check it out. Wombless presenter.
So it's a frustrated woman that will open door for a person like you.
Oh,
a talkative online. Where they talking, not get anything what they do. A boy who was useless to a white woman in Germany, young boy. White women in Germany, the way they are.
Yobogunwe. Rita, cover your get too mad. When you go on a white man, we still talk. I still get a cut. I got cut out. Don't fool yourself. Don't fool yourself because you don't know me. Don't fool yourself because you don't know me. You see me? I move my way and I clear my way clean. You understand what I'm saying? Oh? Go and ask my former grandmother, Mike. Go and ask her. She will tell you. If you so. Me and my white man with the chocolate, bro. Auntie, if you know, you know now. Now me no want me call this ass. You know why? I still tell and say I discord with person. If I have my way, I don't carry apartment. You go vamp, come here. Oh, I dear man. They give message you not go where they bed in. As well. Mug. Say I be like you. When you pursue you don't even call the CPK again. Say I be like you. Ozo Manga. White woman still they dread me. Do every year I give up because one semen here, one semen. You don't have to know things about me. We don't got zoo, just the zoo. Just the zoo, actually the zoo, so just the zoo. You know why they happy? Are they happy be saying the way God they bless me with they give me joy. You see Rita they talk with bitterness, so bitter so. You know people they talk with bitter so. But why would this man go to chop now, small with smiling with beer with water? That's the reason why. You guys don't know anything about me anymore. No matter how close the first between me, I don't feel like myself. Now what I know say, if I feel like talking my life, I'll talk my life. Now my fans go know. Waiting I want my fans know, then they go know. Whereas before they go know one, I don't reach 6. If I tell you one, see one blessing will come, I don't get 6 blessing. Because matter say people you call your fans, my fans, now Rita fans. Rita fans, now you don't get fans. You don't get fans, now Monica fans. All of us now one fans we get. The wise one inside go to every platform and pick sense from their nonsense. I don't my water. Some boy wo ibo abadon 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 auntie, wetin make you leave Oyibo, born for Oyibo, go born for Daki? Babe, me no get the king with Oyibo. Idori we bodo gbe bom your oko. Imi ni gwaro na afa. O ma san. Ni wahala I call this child with peace and harmony. Even though money don't come, I suffer this child with peace and harmony. So that if I still need help tomorrow, I feel someone says, hello baby, what's up? How you doing? You guys good? See? Yeah. Yeah, I need some help, you know. I'm very sick right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm sick. I'm sick right now. I need some help from you, baby. I'm really sick now. I need help. You say, really? Yeah. If I'm not talking to you now, my son in Nigeria is not really so fine, you know what I'm saying? My son is really sick, baby. I don't have anything. I'm in the hospital, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's okay. What do you know? I need like 1,000 euros, you know? 1,000 euros, okay? Can you send me the account? Yeah, I can send you the account. Oh, yeah, I can. Rita, you see us, my prick this dump of Oyibo. Rita, you see us, my blood is sweat on top of Oyibo. If I catch your husband for yansh, I go boss yansh. Oh, good. Rita, hey, I want you well. Just sit down there because you don't get what you want to do. You see your life. You don't get anything to say about the king of media. Go watch the video with this. Go watch how many views this. Go watch the one that take beat you yesterday. Go watch her. Go feel her. Because yes, the king is speaking. I never come for today because today I can't eat. Tomorrow, watch me out. The polo a boa of your canoe zoo. But you don't know why. If you are boa, if you are bolu a boa, I will be. Aria will put a baby me or call. It will not be women go call. One of a beer, but I will not worry, son. Rubbish. Oh, can you worry? No, yeah, when they had to clean. They had to clean my late father, the great Yokoreti, Boko master. Understand? They had to clean. And I mean, I need to plan if we get to start confessing, including Nobi. That's my car. All the time they confess. I look this in the Lord. When I go, I love people. After Baba, you know, I will road open. I mean, we road clear, peace day. Better they come. I decided to desire to get that far. Guy man, let me knock marriage. Now you pull out. We are now for me. David when me buggies way, shame my disgrace. Under the mango tree, under the cashew tree, wherever fit teacher. Inogi under the mango tree, where under the cashew tree. Inogi or we like the mango tree. Ije ana we what I want to do. Ije where ana we you the cashew. Rubbish family. Bird of the same feather, they flocks together. How could I be having people like you as my friends? God forbid. That's the reason why you guys are my life. You, who get police arrested from Otemene, you not come, you know, call them to go where Sagari, go where Sagama. You call me to come and help you to saga somebody. True or false? Come out to life. I have the record. I recorded you. Yes. You think I forgive you? Me? Why would this man forgive you? A bloody civilian. You don't know me. Hearing me. Force me to do what I was not able to do. Now I don't know, you know. God. Let's go there. Don't play. You have audio, right? I have audio with me. Every day with me. Intact. I come for you. I don't want to deal with you. I come for you. I go beat you for this social media. I go bring you down. You go know who be about this man. Rita, you go know who be about. I know Monica. I go beat you. You go crazy for this media. I think that kokobiri muggle. That kokobiri maga. I go beat you off together. Straight down. You go know me. Is this a locker for you? And you don't know. Don't play. Hey, you boy, ya. When we are seeing in the way, sat down. We are resting men. You will look at my play. I refuse to play with you. That's it. I can never play with you. I can't pretend to love you. I don't love you. I don't love you. I can't pretend to love you. I'm not a pretender. I show it straight to you that I don't love you. Straight to hell with you. I don't give a F for what you do. Watch your back, because if I catch you for that, say, baby, you won't. That's me for you. You know, gay. Really, I love you, will take. You know, gay. Now, this one will go see you for another game. They call it just say, if I don't want to walk away, Moka attack you. Men, what nice was when you walk attack you, my Sandy. My son, my brother. Why the old Jesus Christ? The old me married and you didn't see me. Because he knew what when he walked. I mean, now they bongo. I mean, now they open a colleague is tree. John, now I think one of the level. No level. Who is with a better person now? All of them talking about get one rich with a mic. I'm not getting one rich Sabalo. Which content creator from Nigeria? I'm not getting one rich touchable. Which content creator for Nigeria would they make me for life to get money rich? Mogo. As well, I just the play. Alright guys, let me leave you guys now. I will see you guys later. This time is of me later. First to jump on later. Oh, it's to 11. To 11, you know what I'm saying? It's 11. It's 11, you know what I'm saying? 11, you know what I'm saying? Alright, now let me leave it now. I'll see you guys later. Now, bye for now. I don't eat things. Yeah, go charging things before I bounce back. I'll come back. Now, I hear it now. Maybe now TikTok, I'll go TikTok. Yes, TikTok. Now, join me for TikTok. My TikTok name is Umenwan TV. That art now. That one they say at gmail.com. That at Umenwan TV. Umenwan TV. On TikTok, just what Umenwan TV. That's my TikTok name. You see me there on TikTok. Yeah. We'll run the episode 15 there on TikTok. We're in episode 15, alright? So we'll still go to TikTok to go and run the episode 15 on TikTok. Make sure they do for Facebook. They kill for TikTok. So that's what you're doing. Hey, if you like, they make noise, they shout, they scream, they use anger, they do video. It's not my business, bro. I don't give a fuck F with what you do. You feel me? So if you like, shout, if you like, do episode 500, my guy, why you shout? You see my saga on the entire body. Where you so you know? You make baby you want. My saga on the entire body. You relax. Me, I do my thing. You go. Now you make noise for me. Now you call your wife a shabu. Let me help you spread down. Why you the shout? Please don't shout, okay? Take it easy, please. Just take it easy. Don't shout. If your day, she my saga on the entire body. Then calm down. You don't peace for us, don't peace for us. Relax. When I naked carry my bola come out, I disturb you. No, you relax. Are you shouting? You think they pay you? Don't let them pay you, bros. Don't be here, carry my naked come out. Breaking news, pink cap. So why are you shouting? That pissy for us. Agbojuwa. So Mr. Godo, why they shout? Don't shout. Relax. We'll be friends now, you don't understand. Peace. Baba, we'll move you. Where you are. You see your bosses. No shots. Just relax, okay? I help you work on art. Understand? Wait, I will make you mad. You never see anything. Say that there's something about it. But so I'm going yeah, it's in the year saying you make me. Maybe dear, I promise you that one. You know me. You no matter the apology you go beg me. This why yeah, I say boy. Oh, you like that. You know me now. Why you let them beg you now? You know yourself. People you go call them and they come beg me. If you're not going to let them tell my number, that's the worst test of all. The worst test of it all. If you're not going to let them call me, say Frank, but I can't be the most not even and those say we are. That's no. Understand? That's so. So no matter the saga where the Murphy do nothing tomorrow, I'm not gonna leave you. If you don't know, make you know. Join me later. I'll come play the video where the Murphy saga you and your wife. But this is scenario. The same people that come to settle you, wait for disgorge you and your wife. I'll come play the video. Osama says the fool here. She's supposed to be very vigilant. You are not for real. Your coming back is not genuine. Now plan war between you and Murphy. Osama says you should be very careful. If I be Osama say, it is better look for how to pack for that house, leave you. Carry my children come out. Or go call social media, take you far from Enogi. You don't want to deal with that, go to that house. Simple. Now, brother, go to your social, go complete your social. Enogi is not living with you in real life. Waiting they might different. All these things where they do with you, with your Murphy, with na plan work. Just to win your heart, so now go do the marriage. I know say, as they don't get already that and say, they don't want to return the money when they carry her. Fine. But don't want their own some bar for Germany. See they happy here for Italy here. If you don't book, you don't book. Because if they book, they stroke that booking. So that person must enter, that person must know if you could take that place again. So either you do one or you don't do one, money go be. If you don't put it and say you go pay SSF, you go pay journal for the time wasted. So, my guy, I will not speak more. I will not speak more. Until join me later. Let's talk more. Now, bye bye for now.